Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Dodge Journey Crossroad, stock number B9370A. 28,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Journey brand new, olive green in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a cloth interior. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Additional in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Crossroad has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. Heating and air conditioning. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror. Power moonroof control and homely transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Journey is a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.